This is the Oreland wastewater runoff project, Oreland Mill Road, St. Thomas's Church. And I want to get a picture of it before they filled it back in again. And this is Oreland Mill Road at Lorraine Avenue. There used to be a house standing right here. Now it's full of water. We just had a hell of a rainstorm, flash flood. But this is supposed to be a wastewater conservation project, or a drain off water conservation project in Oreland. Got this whole lot where a person's house was, just so they can put some pipes off the street and prevent any flooding here. It's already doing it. And flood it right into this place. Yeah, I don't know what they're using here to scoop out all this stuff here. It's all going to be underground. I'll fill the top of it back on again. That's plastic pipes they're putting underground, like a maze of plastic pipes underground. You have to have a lot of dump trucks to get this out. There's a big square block here the water's supposed to drain into. Oreland Mill Road and Lorraine Avenue in Oreland. It's very flooded here, so it's supposed to solve the flooding problem. So all those pipes are going to go underground, absorb the water, slowly release the water into the creek. About 36 diameter. 36 inches. This is their parking lot for St. Philip's in the Fields Church here. Yeah, St. Philip's in the Fields. They're going to have to put all that ballast stone down when they get the water out of there again. I didn't think they'd get that water in there, I'll bet. These are all like a maze of pipes here. We'll hold the water under the ground and slowly release it into the creeks. Giving away a lot of free wood here. And this is June the 28th. 2010. I've really got a big dig going on here now. Stormwater management, you know.